Colorblindness. Written by Cheryl Reifsnyder. Focus question. What causes colorblindness and how can it affect a person's life? What colors do you see? Imagine looking at a box of crayons and seeing only shades of gray, blue, and yellow. That's what they look like to many people who are colorblind. Most people who are colorblind can still see some colors. They just can't see as many colors as other people. Where do colors come from? White light has every color of the rainbow hidden inside it. Each color is a different wavelength. Things appear to be different colors because they absorb and reflect different wavelengths of light. A strawberry looks red because it reflects red wavelengths while absorbing most others. How color vision works. People see colors because our eyes respond differently to different wavelengths of light. When light enters one of your eyes, it gets focused on the retina. The retina is a thin layer of tissue at the back of the eyeball. The light triggers rod cells and cone cells. These cells send signals to the brain, which uses the signals to make images. Rods and cones. Rod cells are the most sensitive cells in your retina. They let you see in very low light. However, they can't tell different colors apart. Cone cells handle color vision. There are 3 types of cone cells. One type absorbs blue light, one green light, and one red light. Combining these 3 main colors allows us to see thousands of colors. When one or more types of cone cells aren't working, though, colorblindness results. Color vision in animals. Most animals can see fewer colors than humans. For instance, dogs can only see shades of blue and yellow, and bulls are completely colorblind. Other animals, including some birds, bees, and butterflies, see more colors than humans do, including wavelengths of light that are invisible to humans. Different types of colorblindness. Red-green colorblindness. People with red-green colorblindness have trouble telling red and green apart. This is the most common type of color vision problem. It affects about 1 out of every 12 men and 1 out of every 200 women. People with red-green colorblindness usually have something wrong with their green cone cells. As a result, green and yellow objects appear reddish in color. Sometimes red-green colorblindness is caused by a missing or damaged red cone cell. In this case, red, orange, and yellow objects appear green or black. Blue-yellow colorblindness. Blue-yellow colorblindness happens when blue cone cells are missing or not working properly. This type of colorblindness is fairly rare. It's only found in about 1 out of every 10,000 people worldwide. Unlike red-green colorblindness, it's equally common in men and women. Complete colorblindness. Complete colorblindness is the most serious type of colorblindness. It happens when a person has problems with 2 or 3 types of cone cells. People who are missing several types of cone cells tend to be very sensitive to light. They may also have difficulty seeing clearly, especially in bright light. This is because they rely on rod cells for most or all of their vision. Rod cells only work in low light. About 1 in 30,000 people worldwide are missing all 3 types of cone cells. People without any working cone cells only see shades of black, white, and gray. Colorblindness is no joke. Colorblindness can cause serious problems. People who are colorblind have trouble reading maps. Colorblind children may have trouble in school. Colorblindness can also cause safety issues. Fire hydrants and emergency equipment are often colored red or yellow to make them more visible. Someone who is colorblind may not notice bright colors that stand out to those with full color vision. Colorblindness can even limit a person's career choices. Some jobs, such as airline pilot, require full color vision. Others, such as photographer, are much more difficult without full color vision. Testing for colorblindness. Doctors use several types of tests to find out if a person has colorblindness. One test uses images made up of dots that are different sizes and colors. People with full color vision can see numbers or shapes inside the pictures. People with red-green colorblindness have trouble spotting the hidden symbols. Tools to help colorblind people. So far, doctors can't cure colorblindness. However, many new tools can help people deal with colorblindness. Smartphone apps can do tasks such as identifying colors and picking colors that go together well. These apps can help people choose matching clothes or tell which fruits are ripe at the grocery store. Researchers have also created high-tech sunglasses that filter out specific wavelengths of light. The sunglasses make it possible for people with red-green colorblindness to tell the 2 colors apart. Treating colorblindness. Scientists recently corrected red-green colorblindness in squirrel monkeys. The monkeys lacked red cone cells. As a result, they couldn't tell the difference between red and green. Researchers were able to insert the missing gene into cells in the monkeys' eyes. Within about 20 weeks, the monkeys could tell the difference between red and green dots. These successful experiments in squirrel monkeys provide hope for a cure in humans.